Brune and I had quite a long career in tech companies, IBM, Google, other InsurTechs, and we always wanted to start something by ourselves. We got to know some people, technical people, data scientists, actuaries that were working in an insurance company on specific use case of application of machine learning and AI onto actual processes, especially pricing. And so we thought it would be a great opportunity to start a company. We saw all the benefits that AI could bring to those actuarial processes that are heavily manual, and that's basically how we started the company.
I think that from the beginning, we've seen that that was a global market, meaning that we could address with one platform, one solution, any insurance market, any insurance company across the globe. And so we decided to invest from the beginning to build a global company with different nationalities, being able to support any customers in any languages. So it was really in the DNA to address the global market.
Yeah, and therefore we have no more clients in more than 40 different countries across the globe. So yeah, we've been very international quite fast. Yeah. Unlike generic AI platform, from the beginning we thought that for this specific use case, in order to bring business value, we needed specific algorithms. And the reason is the following. On this use case, as you know, insurance industry is heavily regulated. There is also high risk of adverse selection, so you need to have a very high level of transparency and control, and so none of the black box effect of AI are acceptable for the insurance industry. So that was really the challenge. It was to make sure that we keep full transparency and control while using machine learning, and this is how we started the company. So and this is what makes us different, and still today is this capability to have applied AI on a very specific vertical use case, taking into account the requirements of this use case, which is insurance pricing. I think this is really key to bring business value on vertical, to make sure that we are not just applying generic AI, but we are making sure that the algorithms, the machine learning takes into account the specificities of each business processes.
So for the insurance industry, it means that you do not have to do a trade-off between performance and transparency anymore, thanks to the technology and this algorithm. But you can have better models in a transparent way with transparent output. So that's really an innovation on that specific use case and for the industry. But Akur8, it's not only algorithm, and we are convinced that when you want to leverage AI, you have also to build processes and a solution with some functional features around the algorithm to make sure that you can really leverage this algorithm in production for a business purpose. So it was also along the process to develop the algorithm, but also to develop the solution and the processes around the algorithm that we have.
Yeah, and with our algorithms, we are not fully automating the process. We are automating all the data-driven part of the process, but at each step of the process, our users, which are actuaries, are going to take decisions. But given we automate this data-driven part, they have much more time for analysis and for spending time on taking the actual business decision instead of doing repetitive tasks that can be automated.
And really, I think that we can say that our ambition is really to provide the right technologies to the actuaries to help them to take better decisions in a faster way. So it's really how to leverage technology for a business objective. We recently completed our first acquisition, welcoming the Arius team within Akur8. So Arius is a reserving solution. It means that we are enriching our product portfolio with a reserving solution. Always the same DNA, provide to the actuaries the best solution to ease their job and to support their business processes and their business objective. So it's a way for us to expand our actuarial platform with additional use cases and to provide to the insurance industry better technology that they can leverage. So it was like a very interesting journey to run that acquisition, and we are already super happy with the first discussion that we have with our customers, the integration of the team within Akur8, and the dynamics that we see on the market.
Yeah, it was from the start our vision to build a global, fully integrated actuarial platform leveraging machine learning. So Arius was an opportunity to accelerate on that vision. It's not only a product; it's a very experienced and highly skilled team, and also more than 140 clients, heavily centered on the US. So that was a unique opportunity for us to drive more value for our clients, and we see significant traction on the market. We already had the opportunity to sign some combined partnership with clients, acquiring both reserving and pricing at the same time. So very, very positive market feedback. We continue to expand our platform to deliver additional business value to our clients. We already have released 4 modules. We are releasing some new modules, optimization that was just released, so allowing to find the optimal commercial prices. Deploy, which is having the capability to put your prices into production. So it's like the last piece of this process we release this module on the first quarter next year. We started to work on a new and very differentiated module, which is called the rate repository, which will be kind of the missing link between commercial tariff and the production engine. It's a module that we will release at the end of next year, and then there is of course Arius as well, on which we invest a lot in terms of transformation, to embed more machine learning, to fully migrate Arius on the cloud. So still investing massively in R&D and developing our platform.
And I think that of course we will also continue to expand globally and to increase the size of the team to be able to support more customers across the different geographies that we have. So still a lot of work in front of us and a large opportunity that we see for the future.